So for the remainder of these Day 5 videos, reminder, Colorado to Texas to Oklahoma. The theme of these videos from this point forward will be water, how to properly strap a camel pack, and how not to strap a camel pack. This is Day 5, Part 4.
Speeding. You don't have to worry about that here. 70. Oh yeah, no problem. Fines doubled. Not an issue. Yeah, she's good. Stretching it out. I should have drank water like a dumbass. I just don't think. You know what? We're going slow enough. I can. Let's see. Oop. Let's do this. Get some speed. Yeah, some speed. Pull it out. Where is it? It's already hanging. Where is it? There it is. Speed. Speed. Delete back. This is never going to work. You can't do it. Can't do it. Alright. Next stop or whatevs. I missed that one. See, if you're a sharp cannonballer, you'd be like, oh, look, I'm stopped. Stand, stretch like Cynthia. And for me, in my case, do that too. But also drink water. My camel pack's not on my back anymore, and I can't, this right side business, the way I hooked it up, I can't get it. And my banana, I need to eat more of my banana. It's probably still good. Although the banana is hard to eat without a stop because it gets your, I don't want to eat it with my dirty gloves. I just don't want to eat it with my fingers and then shove banana fingers inside my gloves because that's asking for some kind of rash. All of you watching this, you're probably like, I never thought about eating a banana with my bare hands like a ravenous animal and then shoving banana fingers in my gloves. There's something in that truck that I need for Cannonball. Rugby. I wanted to remember this. My dear friend Rugby back in Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Rugby on the way to Trinidad, Colorado. There's a Rugby Road. And if I remember, I think it was exit 114, Rugby Road, on the way to Trinidad, Colorado, which was our last stop at the hotel that night. And I went, Rugby! I love you, Rugby. I was thinking of you. You too, Steven. Scott Taggart, I'm thinking about you right now. Where are you? You're already at the hotel. Scott's got to be getting a lot of socializing because he gets to the hotel, like, first, and then he gets to see everybody who comes in. I luck out when I get to see him because he leaves before me. I never see him on the road because he's a rally master. Day 1, me and Mike did pretty good, I'm going to say. We got in before me needing my clear shield on day 1. So that's good. Day 2, it was nightfall, clear shield. Day 3, nightfall, clear shield. Day 4, nightfall, clear shield. But last night when I strolled into the downtown hotel, Matt, 4-6's cool, was outside talking to Brooke, ADV writer. And then Matt's like, oh, I need to go over your sports. I'm like, cool, let's do it now. And he's like, you just got in. Like, I'm standing there in my gear all hot. And he's like, why don't you go get settled, get changed, relax, you don't have to rush. I was like, okay. So but I want to do it before we go to bed. I'm like, okay, I'll do it right now because I don't want to keep him up. These are long days. And he probably has, I don't know what time he's leaving in the morning, I told him, I go, I'm going to warn you now. I took off my boots. I go, my boots are horrendous. And I'm going to apologize now if my feet. And so I go to the shower. I was like, I'm going to wash my feet, make them not stink, dry them off, and then I'll go, Open up the shower, no soap. And I'm like, if the water's not going to take that stank away. And I just gave up and walked over. So I told him, sorry. And he was like, oh, I have a bad sense of smell. I'm like, okay, it's a win all around. And we got my day 4s all the way through day 4. He was tired too. He's like doing math with me. He's all, check that. Do you concur? Do you concur? Yep, that makes sense. Yep. Time change, this, that, yeah. That's my score. Type it in. Because one of them had a mistake by the time change, and it said I went 73 miles per hour for like this whole time or something. He goes, that's not right. It was all like, they got this thing actually, it flags it red. Like that don't seem right, or if you have something that doesn't quite make sense, it flags it for them. It's really smart. These guys are brilliant. What's that, roadkill? What's this? Oh, tire. Oh, bird. It was roadkill. Damn. Somebody punched that on Cannonball. Oh, is it Texas? Deep in the heart of Texas. Woo, drive friendly the Texas way. Will do. Woo woo.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Drinking game. The stars are bright. Wait, no. The stars at night are bigger, bright. Clap, 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 clap. Deep in the heart of Texas. With this front wobble, air clap. I ain't taking this hand off for nothing. Engine brake. No engine brake. What? By city ordinance. I don't understand what that means. 35. Yeah, let's go down. It's Texas. We ain't messing around. They don't mess around here. So we're at the top, like that little square part of Texas from looking at the map. So it shouldn't take us long to go through here, but I actually don't know how many miles that is. I'm at half a tank. Let's run her to the ground at the gas light and then gas up then. Why stop? We're having a good roll here. Scooterista wants to make good time. I ain't stopping unless she is. I ain't stopping unless I gaslight or she is. How's that? Do must hear me? Do must hear me? I ain't stopping till she stops or my gaslight comes on. Do must hear me now? Stop, shop, eat, and sleep. Oh, God, yes, please. I didn't think I would be doing Cannonball like this. I thought I'd be like, okay, let's see. Where's Pammers? And I'd be out there somewhere, and I'd be like, okay. And that's why I was like, Scott Taggart's my hero, because he helped me with my GPS so that I could always find my way back to the route. Cynthia's letting me be, basically, I can just yap back here in my helmet because I don't have to think about where I'm going. Chances are I would probably still be in Death Valley, in Nevada somewhere, if I wasn't riding with other people. Yeah, we ain't got time for that bullshit. That's our team name.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Yeah, drinking again. Matt checked last night. I sat with him because I was like, I wonder what the weather's going to be like. He's like, let's look, because it's good to kind of talk it out with somebody else too, because it helps you just be like, oh yeah, get your information right with your scrambled brains. And so he's like, blah, 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 the hundreds. I'm like, what? We're going in the hundreds? And he was like, no, that's later. It's like Friday or something or some other day, and we're not going to be there then, but because he was looking at the week or something. But he's like, yeah, it's going to get in the 90s. And I think 93 to 95. I might have a wardrobe change. If my feet can't handle it, I might wardrobe change to my chucks. And I'm sure it's going to get hotter in my helmet with neck gaiter mod, but I think it's the only way I can continue doing Cannonball is to keep this covered from the sun. Last night I was worried. My face hurt so bad, and my chin and my neck, it hurt so bad. I was just imagining it pustuling out, blistering up in this big red mess. It's the thing, you got to know your limits and you got to take care of your health. Like Bill, his knee is so swollen up by here, it's bruised up and down his leg. He had an x-ray, he didn't break anything, and I asked Matt, this Matt's telling me, and I said, well, did he tear a ligament? Did he tear something? Because it looks awful. And he said, I don't know that he had an MRI. I don't think he did. Bill, shout out to you, man, because every time I see you in that support truck, you're smiling. And I can't imagine how bad that knee must hurt. You have such a great attitude. Day 0, Bill came over to me and we got to talk about our GT 200s. And he was talking about all his various scoots. And I read what you say on the forums, Bill. I've been all watching you, and so it was so great to meet you in person, and how his daughter designed the Scooter Cannonball logos. He came right over to me and he said how he had brought all these extra parts for the GT200s, a couple dips there. You know, he's like, so we'll have what we need. And, you know, I brought a new variator myself. I've got a couple of those nuts, those one-time use nuts, because I figured something could go wrong. You might what up and need another one. Tom Drake had to rebuild his variator. He was telling me this on day 3 in Utah, so I don't know when it happened. So in the first 3 days. And that one-time usage nut, he was worried about it because he didn't have another one on him because he had to do this shit on the road, so he had to reuse it. So he was concerned about it, which is valid concern. So he was looking forward to getting back to the support truck to try and fix that. I think Bill needs to get some medical attention more so to that leg. And hopefully he's going to be able to see a doctor again soon or go to the hospital. And I think that might be the plan. So yeah, so, you know, I'm hearing that, and I'm also feeling this fire rash on my face. I'm on antibiotics, knowing that sun is extra, I don't know how many times dangerous, 5-minute sunburns. So I was thinking to myself, if I can't fix this, I might have to get on that truck because of my face. My face, my neck, my chin. Can you imagine? Like, you can't ride Cannonball because you're sunburned too bad. That's why I was like, oh my God, what if I have to drop out? And that was day 4. So I slathered that Emuate on and I'd come up with my plan, and I was just hoping it would work. And that's why every time I come up with some new fix, or other people too, like Eric and my shaving of the past, I celebrate. Last night I was like, I might have to drop out. And now I'm like, I'm making it to Virginia with neck gaiter mod, double helmet mod. Because I'm with Cynthia. I'll ride with her. I ride anywhere with her. I think. I shouldn't say anywhere. Some of these trails, she could probably handle some of this gnarliness where I'm like, I take that back, Cynthia. Not anywhere. Mostwhere. Go Pam, rider number 89, day 5 in Texas, on the way to Oklahoma, signing out. I'm feeling good. My back is doing this tingly thing in the middle of my back. You know when you're a couch potato watching movies with your chihuahua, and then like you go running, and like on your thighs it goes click, right? This muscle's being activated, and it has been atrophied for months. Taken from an editor who's indoors all day cutting. Oh, that was my gas light. Are you kidding me? It says a quarter of a tank. How many miles? I didn't do my Odo. This frustrates me. And then the shoulder just left. So again, Cannonball, day 5, faced with choices. Do I press forward to try to make it to the gas station, hoping I don't run out of gas because I don't want her to be bone dry, because I don't want to make her mad. How far is it? Dumas, 5 miles, Dalhart. Can I do 5 miles? Let's try. Oh, she's out of gas. There we go. You're out? Yeah. My gas light's on too. All right, we're doing it. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to... Huh?
Can you hold the purse?
Oh, yeah. What do you want me to do? Because we've got 5 miles. Can I just MSR bottle and fill up in town? Or
Totally, yeah.
Oh, okay, great. I've learned, see how I'm bending over? To do it on this side so your ass isn't in the lane. Ask me how I know. Water real quick, too. Just a little roadside fuel up. Don't spill. Oh shit, just spilled it on my hand. Where's the flat surface? You? Everything goes on the pants. It's one thing extra to carry, but it's already come in handy for me and other people, especially with Mike. When his bike, we salvaged his gas from his broken ass can, threw it in here, and then we did this. Oh shit, my whole system. Well, maybe that means it's time to turn her around. No, just do this. It's just easier. See, I'm just gonna have to drink it stops. Because look how secure that is. It's just too secure. I'm just gonna not do the whole thing because we're about to take it off again. Okay, she's probably waiting on me. My charge. Oh, I can hear she's fired up, waiting on me. I think I smell cow poop. No time for this bullshit cruise. About to head out. I'll let her pull ahead. Oh, there she is. I thought she was going to go behind her on this side, but she did that side. Before this, one of my anxieties was getting lost, running out of gas, ergo, being lost, stranded, and alone in a rural area, not knowing where the hell I'm at, not knowing where to go, not having cell signal. That happens. You don't know if your GPS will freak out. So there's a lot of, if you're directionally challenged and tend to get lost, like this girl, that was a valid fear. That's why I've been carrying a lot of food bars with me and making sure my camel pack has water, because survival. I'm like basically like, I have to make sure I survive. I know myself. These are the things I need. and I know my weaknesses, so those are the things I need. I need to have plenty of food, water, and gas. So when I mess up, I can get back to safety and full stock. So I had a 1 gallon Rotapacks that I was just going to strap to that. And then I saw all the guys on the forums going, I'm bringing a 5 gallon thing, I'm bringing that. And some people had like, oh, I'm bringing 2.5 gallons. I was like Googling in close and looking at gas stations and writing them down on my paper printout turn-by-turn instructions, which again, I'm going to say Scooter Cannonball rookie Go Pam tip. Print out turn-by-turn directions. This year they were not included in the booklet, right, at the writers' meeting, as done in previous years. And this was discussed on the forum, so you have to read the forum to know what's going on. And I knew this, but they give you GPX files of the route so you can prepare yourself, and they give you the Google Maps links. Well, I'm more familiar with Google Maps using my phone for navigation than GPX. Where are we welcome to? Where are we? What's this? Oh, it's the city of Dalhart, right. Ain't you a doll, Dalhart? What is going on? He was probably speeding. I went to AutoZone and I checked out the 5 gallon and I'm like, it's way too big for my floorboard. There's no effing way with the thing full. So I went for the 2.5 gallon and I've had it full and I haven't used it yet because I keep filling up and using my MSR bottles, which are handy. His and hers Indians, so cute. So these are our friends on the Indians that we met at Wills Creek Pass, and they're going the same place as us. I said that they're probably going to beat us there. Already went to the bathroom and I forgot to eat this, so. Oh my god, this is pathetic. That's the only bite I'm going to take. It's all over. I got banana on my nose. I got banana in my vent. This is what you try to do when you try to eat banana and not let it fall down your sack, your neck sack. I can't even eat that banana because I don't want to take my helmet off because it takes so long to put it on, and we got to rally because that's Cannonball for you. It's Cannonball. We got to rally. I got nanner in my helmet. I need more water.
As you can see, my camel pack is strapped to my scooter with the water spout on the right side, which is my throttle hand. It is not easy to reach this and drink, so I can only drink while stopped. This is totally asinine.
Usually you put this up your thing, and I have to do this. It's a little harder. And I can't drink while riding the way it's strapped with my throttle hand, so I have to suck it down now. But we are trying to push on. My feet are like destroying these boots again with stench and heat, and they're uncomfortable because it's getting hot, and I don't want to wear them. But I don't want to change to my Chucks, and the reason why is not because it's not at Gap, but it's because I don't want to put these stanky-ass socks and these stanky-ass feet in my clean Chucks and destroy them. If I'm switching to my Chucks, I need to wash my feet. So I've decided we're going to push forward to Oklahoma. I need some mesh boots. And I don't have time to go shopping and try and get it FedEx. There's no time for that shit. Cannonball problems. See this thing? Yeah, the cable that you bought this with don't work. Oh god, my stomach today. Whatever physical ailment you have on Cannonball, if you want to still do Cannonball, you got to work through it. Sure. Lean back on your camel pack, using it not the way it was designed. Got the zipper on the right side, throttle side. Can't drink it on your ride. Gotta drink it at gas stations. Should probably drink some more while I have the chance. It's like I try to force it in and then I get sick. Force it in like some nanner in your helmet.
Will Go Pam get enough water and be properly hydrated? Stay tuned to find out.